Hello student, this is part 2 of lesson number 3 and name of the chapter is database management with MSSS and the topic is understanding the concept of database management system. Database management system, its short form is DBMS, is a software package and that software package is used to control the creation, maintenance and use of a database. Now, example of a departmental store. Now, look at this table: customer number, name, address, PIN code, registration date, debit limit. These are all fields and these are data 001 Sanya 7 Park Street 12001 like this 0707 2011 30,000. This is the data. These are all fields: customer name, address, PIN code, registration date and debit limit. These are all fields and this one is data and this one is total. It's a complete record like this: field 1, field 2, field 3 and field 4. These are different fields: customer number, name, address, and next is data. These are the data. This one is data and it's a complete record. Now come to a file. A file is a collection of related records. Next keyword is a record. It is a related information of an individual. Next is field. A field is an individual data item within a record, like an address field or name field. These are name of the fields: customer name, address, like this. Next is database. Database is a collection of files that acts as a single centralized data bank for many processing applications. Next is understanding MSSS. MSSS is a part of MS Office. MS means Microsoft. MSSS helps you to analyze large amount of information and manage related data more efficiently than MS Excel. Next is what is a MSSS? This icon is for MSSS. MSSS is a relational database management system. Relational database management system, its short form is RDBMS. Relational database means a database that allows you to group its data into one or more distinct tables that can be related to one another by using field or fields common to each table. Next one is open source alternatives for MSSS. This is the icon of OpenOffice Base. OpenOffice Base, it's a standalone application that offers a user-friendly interface for creating databases and accessing information from them using queries and scripts. Next, this icon is for LibreOffice Base. LibreOffice, like OpenOffice, LibreOffice contains Base, a component module that offers features similar to that of MSSS and allows you to create databases with full ease. Next topic is what is relational database. A relational database is a single database spread across multiple tables. It's a definition of relational database. The definition is computer database to which all the data is stored in relation that are tables with rows and columns or the user. Each table is composed of records and each record is identified by a field containing a unique value. Now it's an example all the student master information is in first drawer. This is first drawer, and in second drawer school bus information, and in third drawer fee bills are kept. Now to connect each of these drawer, which is what makes it relational, a unique piece of data from one drawer has to be represented in one of the other drawers, that is students admission numbers for school database. It's another example regarding fee bill, where the unique field is student admission number. Now you know means a revision of all the chapter. First keyword is a database. It's a definition of database. A database is a collection of data which is organized in such a manner that it can be easily retrieved. Retrieved means to find. Next is database. It's categorized into two categories: flat file database and relational database. Now third is flat file database are plain text files, and whereas relational database store the data in several tables and link these tables to access information. Next is DBMS. Its full form is Database Management System. It is used to store, find, analyze and share information with others. And next is MSSS is a relational database management system used to store large quantity of information. The information can be viewed, stored and manipulated, retrieved and printed in various ways. Next is a relational database, means a database that allows you to group its data into one or more distinct tables that can be related to one another using fields common to each related table. And the last point is OpenOffice Base and LibreOffice Base are open source. Open source means it's available from the net, and these are the open source alternatives of MSSS, means you can use these two software, OpenOffice Base or LibreOffice Base, instead of MSSS. I hope you cleared this lecture. Okay, bye and have a nice day.